Imagine learning any skill you want, faster, smarter, and with a plan made just for you. By AI. Whether you want to learn coding, design, marketing, or even a new language. This video will show you how AI can build your perfect learning roadmap. It's no fluff, just real tools and methods you can start using today. Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn AI Daily, where we explore the smartest ways to use AI to upgrade your life. And today, we're going deep into how you can leverage AI to build your own personalized learning plan. No more generic advice, no more trial and error. This is AI-driven education, and it's changing the game. Step 1. Define your learning goal. Before AI can help, you need to tell it what you want. So be specific. Not just, I want to learn design. Instead say, I want to learn UI/UX design in 30 days with 1 hour per day. Or, I want to learn Python for data analysis from scratch in 2 months. The clearer your goal, the smarter the AI's plan will be. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT or Gemini to build a plan. Now head over to ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. Use a prompt like this. Create a 4-week learning plan to master UI/UX design. I can study 1 hour per day. I prefer video tutorials and hands-on practice. The AI will instantly generate a week-by-week plan, daily learning objectives, asterisk-free resources like YouTube videos, tutorials, and exercises. You can even ask for quizzes, projects, and reminders. Step 3. Organize your plan with Notion AI. Take the plan AI gives you and copy it into Notion, Tana, or Trello. Why? Because now you can track your progress, tick off lessons, and add notes. All in one clean dashboard. Pro tip. Use Notion AI to summarize long articles or explain difficult concepts instantly. Step 4. Curate better resources with AI. Don't waste time hunting for content. Let AI find it for you. Asterisk. Use to search up-to-date tutorials. Use GLASP to summarize YouTube videos. Paste a YouTube URL into ChatGPT and ask, summarize this in 5 key points. Boom. Now you get the knowledge without wasting time. Step 5. Practice and feedback. Learning is not just consuming, it's doing. Ask ChatGPT to create exercises or small challenges like, give me a mini project after week 1 to test my UI/UX skills. Then, at the end of each week, ask, what should I improve based on this week's plan? It adapts, just like a real tutor. Step 6. Stay consistent with AI reminders. Use tools like Google Calendar, Tana's Daily Planner, even AI-based productivity apps like Sunsama to schedule your learning time and keep you consistent. You'll be shocked at how productive you become when AI is your accountability partner. And that's how you create a genius-level personal learning plan with the help of AI in minutes. The future of education isn't coming, it's already here. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which skill you're learning next, and I'll help you build a plan for it in the next video. See you tomorrow.